Hello guys, it is day 4 of Leap to Lead. I hope you're having fun so far. I hope you're still really excited, and I hope you've done the last 3 days challenges. It's really important to stay on it while we do this because you're gonna fall behind very quickly with daily challenges. So make sure you're carving out those 15 to 20 minutes a day to get your challenges done. If you've noticed, after 48 hours, I do turn the comments off on previous days so that they don't keep getting bumped to the top and the most relevant stuff comes first. So if you miss a challenge by more than 48 hours, you probably are not gonna be able to go back and finish it. You can finish it personally, but you won't be able to participate in the comments and let your upline know that you were participating. So make sure you're staying up on it. I hope you're having fun. It's like I said, it's day 4. Let's recap what we've done so far. Day 1, let's go back here. Okay, day 1, we made catalogs and testers. We labeled catalogs and we got as many little tester packs together as we could. Day 2, we talked about our why, and I reminded you guys of the importance of your journal. Please make sure you have your journal. It's just not optional. Can you please get a notebook, get it ready, and start taking notes in it? I'm not always gonna tell you when it's time to take notes. It's just something I want you guys to get in habit of doing as you hear things that you like, so that you can go back and revisit them later when you're having an off day or an off month. You can go back and be like, well, what was I doing then when I was growing? It's really important to journal what you were doing so that you know exactly what to keep doing and what did work, what didn't work. So if you keep tabs on what actions you're taking in your business, you can go back and see if they were effective or ineffective. So it's really important that you journal your progress through courses, through your business, through the month, everything. And then day 3, you probably used that notebook for the first time and did your list of 100. Did you love the way she did that? Like, it's so funny being in this business for this long and I still learned something new. I never thought about making my list of 100 that way, with the little person and then talking about who they know that we want to know, and not making our list of 100 based on who we already know. And I think that's where a lot of us get super hung up, is we make our list based on who we already know, not who we want to get to know, who we want to reach. So I loved that, and I hope you found that to be a refreshing way to do that. And also her accent, super amazing. I could listen to her tell me things about my job all day long. Like, I think I need to have her make these videos for us. So I want to move on. It's day 4 now. It's showtime. It's time to do the stuff we don't like to do. Are we ready for it? I hope you are. As you know, payday is on the 10th of every single month, and we need to always be focused on what we're doing to make sure our payday is exactly what we want it to be. We control our paychecks. What we do every day controls what our paycheck's gonna be on the 10th of every month. So I want to give you guys one foundational task to do today that if you keep doing repeatedly throughout your journey, you're going to increase your paycheck. Let's go over, first of all, what the basics of a lead consultant is. What do you need to start getting into the habit of doing in order to hit lead and maintain lead? Because the way that the compensation plan works, if you don't hit the numbers every month, you don't get paid at that title. So you need to make sure that as you're building to lead, you're building a solid foundation to get there. And the foundation pieces of lead is 500 in sales every month and 1 new team member, preferably per month. So 500 in sales per month, and then at least 1 active team member, and then $1,000 in wholesale volume sold between the 2 of you, which is 75% of your combined PRVs. Your PRV foundationally has to be 500. But if you do the math, you realize that having 1 person and you both doing the minimum, you're not going to get where you want to go. That's why I always say the magic lies beyond the minimum. The magic lies beyond the minimum. And the reason I'm calling the basics of the lead title your foundation steps, your 500 PRV is foundational. Your 1 teammate a month is foundational. Why? Because it's the bare minimum. And what's the bare minimum of something? The foundation, the platform that you start off of, Getting 500 PRV a month and 1 person active a month is not going to build your business. It's not going to grow your business every month. As like getting one person a month will more than 500 PRV. Well, if you're getting 500 PRV every month, you're probably having 1 or 2 parties and you're just not meeting enough people to add people to your team, to make new contacts, to grow your network. It's just the minimum foundation to get paid at that title. What do we do on foundations? We build off of them. We don't make our goal the foundation of a house. Our goal is the whole dang house, right? If you lived on just a foundation, you'd be cold, you wouldn't have heat, you'd have no electric, you'd have no plumbing, you would not be comfortable, and you really would probably not do it, right? You wouldn't just live on the foundation of a house. That's why I don't want you guys living on the foundation of your business. But the goals for this course is to get your foundation built, because a lot of you don't have that yet. So what we want to do is get that foundation built. And we have to do things we don't want to do that. So I'm going to talk to you guys about your challenge for today. We made those 10 catalogs up and as many tester packs as we could on day 1. Because what I want you guys to do now is take your list of 100 and take 10 people off of there and keep pulling 10 more until you get rid of all of those catalogs and testers. Gone. They need to be gone. By, I don't know, what is today? Today's day 4. Tomorrow's Friday. Gone. Just gone. Get them out of here. Start today, get them gone. Work today on getting as many people to take those as possible. Keep going down your list of 100. Let them know that you're in a course if it helps, and just get them gone. I'm going to give you guys a script on what to message people. So if you are not good with words, which if you think you're not good with words, it's because you're just mean to yourself. You're probably fine with words. And everyone sounds different. That's just the way it is. The way I would word something works towards my personality, and the way someone else would word something words to their personality. Just be yourself. Don't overthink things, because you've got to just take action. There's nothing worse than inaction. So no matter what, if you're at least moving forward and doing something, that's better than doing nothing at all. I learned that one from Crystal Moore. Thank you. And so yeah, get those catalogs and testers out. Like I said, you want to start trying to build to 500 PRV every single month. And then learning to carve out 15 to 20 minutes a day while we do this course is going to help you learn to keep carving that time out every single day with your business. And you're going to realize when you give your business more time, it's going to make you more money. So your challenge, like I said, is to get those 10 out. When you've done it, let us know. And then secondarily, you're not just going to get them out. You are going to follow up after they've looked at them for a day or two, and you are going to start collecting orders. It's like you're doing a basket party all by yourself, right? Start collecting orders. If you can, let them keep those testers and catalogs and ask them to share them with their friends. If you need them back, feel free to ask for them back. But I would really encourage you to make sure that you give things away as often as possible, because our materials aren't expensive, so if you need more, you can. And like I said, your leader or director probably has tons of testers if you need some. I have buckets and buckets of them at my house. If you're local, I won't mail them, but if anyone is around and needs some, come and talk to me. But the same for your sponsor, your director, anyone who's been in Scentsy for longer than a year probably has some if you don't have any testers. So get those all ready. You should have already done that, but then let's get them out of your hands, and then follow up with those people. Ask them what they loved and start collecting orders. But like I said, I'm going to give you a script. It's going to be either this post or the next one. We'll find out. But you've got this. Bye, guys.